श्री मनाचे श्लोक श्लोका number 83 English translation and explanation. Sri Manache Shlok were written by Samartha Ramdas Swami. They are a dialogue with our mind. जेणे जाळिला काम तो राम ध्यातो उमेसी अति आदरे गुण गातो बहु ज्ञान वैराग्य सामर्थ्य जेथे परी अंतरी नाम विश्वास तेथे. God Shiva, who vanquished Cupid, always dwells his mind on Lord Rama. He respectfully tells stories of Lord Rama to Goddess Parvati. Where there is great knowledge, detachment, might, then, in essence, there is trust in Lord Rama's name. Some keywords in this shloka are Jalila means burned, Dhyato means meditates, Guna means virtues, Jnana means knowledge, Antari means in the heart. Samartha Ramdas Swami explains in this shloka how Lord Shiva also praises Lord Rama and keeps his faith in him. There is a story in mythology about how Lord Shiva incinerated Madana, also known as Kamadeva, the god of love or desire. Various gods, including Lord Indra, who is the deity of the heavens, lightning, thunder, storms, and rains, were suffering from a demon Tarakasura, who had a boon that no one can defeat him except for the son of Lord Shiva. But Shiva was in deep meditation, and breaking his meditation means big trouble. Lord Indra then sends Kamadeva to get this job done. In order to create a congenial atmosphere, Kamadeva creates an untimely spring. He then evades Shiva's guard, Nandi, by taking the form of the fragrant southern breeze and enters Shiva's abode. There, he shoots his flower arrow towards Shiva to break his meditation. Lord Shiva becomes extremely furious and opens his third eye, which incinerates Kamadeva, turning him into ashes. At the same time, Lord Shiva realizes that Goddess Parvati is also there and asks her what she wants. Honoring her request, Lord Shiva then allows Kamadeva to live, but without a body. And thus, the spirit of love embodied by Kamadeva is dispersed across the universe. Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati give birth to their son Kartikeya, who in turn defeats the demon Tarakasura. The gist of this story is that Lord Shiva has conquered lust and desires. He keeps on telling the stories of Lord Rama very respectfully to Goddess Parvati, also known as Uma. Adhyatma Ramayana is part of the Brahmanda Purana. It is told by Lord Shiva, also known as Lord Shankar or Lord Mahadev, to Goddess Parvati. Samartha Ramdas Swami is referring to this Adhyatma Ramayana when he mentions about Lord Shiva respectfully telling the stories of Lord Rama to Goddess Parvati, that is Uma. Lord Shiva is known for knowledge, dispassion, and power. In spite of having all of these, he still praises Lord Rama in his heart. In the same way, even if someone achieves great knowledge, great power, and conquers the lust and desires, having faith in the name of Lord Rama is still essential. जेणे जाळीला काम तो राम ध्यातो उमेसी अति आदरे गुण गातो बहु ज्ञान वैराग्य सामर्थ्य जेथे परियंतरी नाम विश्वास तेते. Join me in this humble effort of spreading this amazing part of our Maharashtrian culture and literature to the English speaking community in the entire world. Be proud of our culture. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel A Dialogue with Our Mind. Jai Jai Raghuveer Samartha.